Hi Jim, Spencer from Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. To my right, the vehicle you inquired about, the 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. 17,000 miles, originally sold here at our dealership to local customers whom we know very well here at Prime Motor Cars. It's a great vehicle. We have a black exterior, a macchiato beige and black interior, and a lot of very nice options. We have LED headlights up front. Beautiful styling and design from Mercedes. Chrome work, parking sensors in the front bumper. It's a very nice build. Coming along the side of the vehicle, you'll see a 21-inch 5-spoke wheel. I think this wheel fits the vehicle very nicely. It's a good size and a nice touch to the car. Chrome along the window frames, roof rails up top, turn indicators, blind spot monitoring in the door mirrors, illuminated running boards along the bottom of the vehicle. Then coming around to the rear, gorgeous wraparound LED tail lights, GLE 350 and 4MATIC badging. That's the all-wheel drive system. Chrome load sill guard there on the tailgate. We've got dual tip exhaust, a factory trailer hitch, which is a great option to have. A lot of really nice features. Let's take a look inside the GLE. Inside the GLE, we get a closer look at the interior. Beautiful combination of macchiato beige, black upper dashboard, nice gloss, very dark brown, almost gray wood trim throughout the vehicle. Two 12-inch displays, touchscreen for our phone, navigation, radio, dual zone climate control, wireless charging, cruise control, phone, volume, voice control functions on the steering wheel, turn indicators, high beams and wipers on the left side, gear shifter here on the right, heated and ventilated seats, power and memory seats for the driver and passenger, upgraded Burmester Surround Sound System, a lot of really nice features. So wanted to put together a video tour, show you a quick little glimpse at the 2020 GLE, 17,165 miles currently on the odometer. If you have any questions, 207-510-2253 is my direct extension. Thank you so much for watching, Jim. Hope you enjoyed.